Hello friends, hope that you are doing well and welcome back to the grammar lesson. I am Malinder. In this lesson we are going to learn about how to use word just correctly in your day-to-day conversation. Let's get started. Okay, just is a very useful word because we frequently use this word to express different ideas in our day-to-day conversation. Actually, word just can be used in various ways to express ideas in English. There are many uses. In this video, I am going to talk about different uses of word just. Okay, let's talk about first usage of word just. Word just can be used as a time expression to indicate something happened recently. Okay, let's go through some example. He just back from work. I just completed my homework. I have just spoken to John. Okay, let's consider first example. He just back from work. Okay, here we use word just to indicate something happened recently. It means he back from work recently, so can be 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. However, this action completed recently in the past because of we use word just to indicate something happened recently. Look at the next one. I just completed my homework. Here also word just indicate something happened recently. So it means I completed my homework recently. The action completed recently in the past. Okay, look at the next one. I have just spoken to John. Here also just indicate that something happened a short time ago or recently. It means I have spoken to John a short time ago. Okay, everyone, remember we can use this word just to indicate something happened recently. Okay, now let's look at another usage of word just. Word just can also be used to talk about that something happened immediately. To understand this better, let's go through some examples. Look at these examples. I'm just getting ready to leave. I will just finish this and then we can go. Okay, look at the first example. I'm just getting ready to leave. Okay, here probably you are late to go somewhere, so therefore you quickly get ready, just indicate you are doing something immediately. Look at the next one. I will just finish this and then we can go. Okay, here also we use word just to indicate something happened immediately. It means immediately you will finish this and then we can go. Okay, remember we can use this word just to talk about that something happened immediately. Okay, not only that, just can also be used to replace word only. Look at these examples. I just need some water. That's just an excuse. She is just a child. Look at the first example. I just need some water. Okay, it means I don't need something to eat or I don't need any other drink. I only need some water. Okay, here word just indicate only meaning. Okay, look at the next one. That's just an excuse. Here also just we used to talk about word only meaning, that's only an excuse. Look at the last one. She is just a child. Here also same. We use it instead of word only. She is only a child. Okay, right. Now let's look at one more way to use word just. We can also use word just to indicate exactly meaning. That is to say, we can use word just instead of using word exactly. Look at these examples. This is just the information I need. Jack is just the person for this job. That's just what I mean. Okay, let's consider first example. That is just the information I need. Okay, here you have been finding some information for a long time and suddenly you got it, you surprised because exactly that is the information that you need. Remember, you can use word just instead of using word exactly. Look at the next one. Jack is just the person for this job. Here also just indicate exactly or absolutely meaning. It means absolutely he is the person for this job. Okay, look at the last one. That's just what I mean. Okay, here also we use word just instead of using word exactly meaning. That's exactly what I mean. Okay, right. Remember, we can also use this word just to indicate exactly or absolutely meaning. Okay, in this lesson I mentioned about how to use word just in our day-to-day conversation. There are various usage. Remember again, we can use word just to indicate something happened recently, and also we can use word just to talk about something happened immediately, as well as we can use it to replace word only. Not only that, we can also use word just to indicate exactly meaning. Okay everyone, thank you for joining with us. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.